Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you remove stains from this car seat. I've spilled juice, water, coffee, and sauces from food all over this seat. I've tried cleaning products that I thought would work, but after they dried, the stains resurfaced. So today I'm going to show you how I clean this seat and make it look brand new. So without further ado, here's the before and after transformation. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. I purchased all the equipment and materials myself. So here are the materials that I used for this project. A vacuum, Tough Stuff foam cleaner, microfiber towels, Wagner 915 on-demand steam cleaner, and the Hoover spotless carpet and upholstery cleaner. The Tough Stuff stain remover will help lift dirt and stain from the seat. The Wagner steamer will help loosen the soil, grime, and dirt from the fabric. And the Hoover carpet and upholstery cleaner will remove the stain with its detergent and powerful suction. And you know what else can lift dirt and stain? Me. First, I use the vacuum to remove big particles like crumbs and dusts. Then, I use the Tough Stuff stain remover. I spread it onto the seat and it creates a foam. This product is really good and it lifts up the stain like magic. I let the foam do its job and waited about a minute. Then I use the Wagner steamer to agitate the fabric. Then I use a microfiber towel to remove the dirt and stain that was lifted from the fabric. I used the Wagner steamer to scrub the areas that still had a lot of visible stain. After this, it may seem like the job is done, but the problem is, if I were to just let it dry, the stain will definitely resurface. So I have to use the Hoover carpet and upholstery cleaner to make sure that it sucks up all the dirt and stain from the fabric. I spray the solution on the fabric and have the nozzle suck up the stain out of it like so. The recovery tank on the Hoover collected all the dirty liquid that it pulled from the seat. So here's all the dirt, grime, and stain that was sucked out from the seat. Yuck. So finally, here's the before and after transformation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. And please like this video, share this video to your friends and family, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time.